Not everybody has the opportunity to own a cabin to this caliber on a ski mountain that's extremely popular in this Black Hills, South Dakota area, but now you have the opportunity. I'm over at 11026 Antelope Trail, which has just hit the market. This property comes with bookings, it comes fully turnkey, it comes with a hot tub. You guys wait till we go in and we check it out. You're not gonna wanna miss out on this opportunity. Let's head in and take a look at how beautiful this 3-level home is. So when you come into this house, you're going to start in the basement / game room. And if you've been following our YouTube channel, you know that a lot of these homes up here on Terry Peak are 3 levels that start in the basement, which also doubles as the game room. It's very important when you're purchasing one of these properties to make sure that you have a foosball table or a pool table, and even if it doesn't come with it, if you purchase one. So we come in, we're in the first living room, gas fireplace. Again, guys, this place comes completely turnkey with bookings. So when we say turnkey, we mean every piece of furniture, all of the decor, everything. So we're gonna head down here. We have this huge utility room / storage room. We're gonna have this bathroom here and these 2 bedrooms. And what's really cool about this bedroom is it has built-in bunk beds. Take a look at these beds. How cool would this be for guests, for your own kids, for your grandkids? These are always super popular in all of these homes. So now we're gonna head on to the upstairs, which is gonna be the main level with another living room, a kitchen, the dining room, and then of course access to that big deck that you guys saw outside. So now we're upstairs on that main level. Another gas fireplace. And then this beautiful open concept. High ceilings, all the way up to the loft area. Beautiful live edge counter space here. This is a big seller around here as well. And also take a look at this granite. Look how they had this specially cut. So all these little details are really gonna make a difference when you're picking the perfect property, especially if it's going to be a rental. So we're gonna head over here. There's gonna be another full bath here and another bedroom over here. And then one of my favorite things about this house is it doesn't have one deck out of the front, but it has 2 decks. So you have one in the front and then you have another big deck in the back. And then out here is going to be that hot tub that does stay with the property. And one of the things I love is look how quiet it is here. No one's ever going to build behind you. There's plenty of space to either barbecue in the front or barbecue out here. Let's head back in and keep checking out this house. So we came in through the basement. But what I love about this property is you can also come in through the main door here, and it has a little bit of a mudroom area. You have a washer and dryer that stay with this property. That's also a huge selling point when you're looking to purchase a rental. And then we'll head back into the main area and go upstairs. Really take note of how high these ceilings are. And it just creates that open space. So if you have people upstairs, if you turned this into a game room or you left it with beds up here like these sellers did, it still keeps everybody together. And then there is 2 beds up here. Again, you can keep the beds, they come with the property, or you could take this area and turn it into a game room, or whatever would fit your family's needs the best. Really appreciate you guys coming along for this tour of 11026 Antelope Trail up on Terry Peak in the Lead, South Dakota area, right in the Black Hills. Make sure that if you love these home tours that you're clicking like, you're subscribing so you don't miss one of our videos, and feel free to leave a comment with how much you're loving this house or any of our other tours.